Oh yeah, I almost forgot to tell you a funny story about anchoring here in Boston. For 2 nights, every time we were down below, especially at night, we could hear the strange sound. It sounded like chains dragging or air bubbles coming up under the hull, or in Key West, there like a shoal of fish would come and attack smaller fish and like bump them up against the hull. So it kind of sounded like a little like explosion going on for like 5 to 10 seconds, gaining in volume and then fading away. So we turned on the bottom sounder to see if it was fish. Thought maybe that it was the sound of an engine or propeller of all of the ferry boats and the whale watching boats and everything going by, but it just didn't coincide with anything, and we couldn't figure it out. And I was going to go to the office and ask the harbor masters, what is this sound? And we couldn't work it out until this morning, when it was so calm that we didn't have any other waves slapping the hull and there wasn't a lot of boat traffic around. And then we realized it was the sound of trains. It was the subway going underneath the tunnel under this Boston Harbor, and we could pick up the sound coming through the ground, through the water, and into our hull, because it definitely sounded like a train this morning. So we worked it out.